How to record phone calls on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I would like to teach you on how to record phone calls on Android device. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. So recording phone calls on Android can be helpful but it depends on your reasons, laws and a specific Android version and device you are using. Some Android devices have a built-in call recording feature while others require third-party application. So before you begin, you need to consider the legal laws and check your device compatibility. So first of all, you can use built-in call recording if available. Once you're on the call, you can easily go ahead to your quick setting panel by swiping from up to down and you will see screen recording. You can easily tap on it and then you will see this different screen recording settings, such as if you'd like to record your microphone sound only, then you can allow it. If you wish to record both microphone as well as system sound, you can easily do so by enabling the button. And once you are on the call, you can easily record that using your built-in recording. If this is not available on your device, then you need to use a third-party application. You can easily install a third-party applications which include Cube Call Recorder ACR, or Truecaller. You can download it from Google Play Store and grant permissions to access your microphone, phone calls, and storage and start recording while you are on the call. So these are some of the methods to record phone calls on Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.